Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to discuss about APIs or application programming interfaces. So, why do we need APIs, and what is it for? So, say for example, you want to create a web application that you would like to display the weather of the weather of the current location, and then you wanted to display the current weather today and the data for tomorrow, for Friday, and then for Saturday. So how are you going to do that? How are you going um, to get data from an external source? Of course, you are not going to do manually research, right? So and then manually adding it to your web application. So how are you going to do that? So you are going to get it from a source, right? So um, you're going to need a data service. So, just like, for example, Open Weather Map, it's an organization wherein they collect weather data. Say, for example, this one, the current weather data. So, they have actually created API documentation. So, they have open API documentations. So you can get their data there as a developer. You can pull their data. It's really a live weather data. Okay, so what is API? API is an application programming interface. Is a set of commands, functions, protocols, and objects that programmers can use to create software or interact with an external system. So based on my example, if you're going to have a website and or a web application and you wanted to display the weather, really the live weather from an external source, so you really need API. So um, one of the basic rules in API is that, say for example, restaurant and kitchen. So say for example, the restaurant is the external organization, and the kitchen is the is where the organization collects their data, or it's their facility center. So how API works is that the restaurant will declare its menus, right? So what are the things that you can eat? Like for example, chicken adobo, fried chicken, and or tortang talong, um, tinola. So those are the things that you can eat. But if you wanted to, say, for example, you're really craving and you wanted to eat something that is not in the menu, and you wanted to go to the kitchen and then you wanted to create your own menu, that would not be possible. Okay. So, in fact, that is illegal. So, you can only order based on the menu in the restaurant. So, same with data. Um, in the API, you can only pull data based on their API. Okay. So for example, you have here so it's just a comparison. It's the same. So if this is the restaurant, these are the menus, and then the weather API. Then these are just the data that we can access or we can pull. So as a summary, what API can do is that starting from your server, you are the client server. It requests data from another server, and then the another other server then respond. So this is true API. So you can get data from other server or other web application or other organization through an API.